Yes, my name is Merrit. I'm here today to have stem cell removed from my bone marrow and injected into a shoulder that has been problematic for a number of years, and I'm excited to get it started. I've heard good things, and I'm anxious to see what the outcome will be. Hi, my name is Merrit. I came here a number of months ago and had a bad shoulder, and I was interested in the stem cell that they were doing here, and I wanted to give it a try. I had very limited motion in my left shoulder, and since the stem cell therapy, I am doing wonderful. I have no problems at all with my left shoulder, and my life is back to what it once was. And I'm excited to share this with other people, that they would be very, hopefully be very helpful for other people.
Thank you.